really important now. You've got to change track. So, oncoming, there's the black one and the minibus. The minibus is turning. Creep. Before or after the black car?
After.
Go slow then. Clutch down. Use your brake. Go slower than this. Look at your road. Get your steering going to the right. Creep, creep, creep. Clear. Clear. Better.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Good. Parking on the left. Good. Nice job. Straight's the key. Straight for the van. Finished your steer. We're done. Nice. Good, relax. So, sorry for moaning at you, but you need it.
Yeah.
You need it. These
Yeah.
habits just hold you back all the time,
Yeah.
don't they?
Yeah,
Have you
they
noticed the difference even between with what we did there compared to a couple of the other ones?
Yeah. Yeah, that went a bit better.
It was loads better.
Yeah.
So your approach, you've got to be looking to see who's coming down and then plan how it's going to happen.
Yeah.
The problem with your driving and most people's is that they get there, then they start trying to take things in and do things.
Yeah.
And that's honestly you in a nutshell.
Yeah, I agree with that.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
No wonder you panic.
Yeah.
No wonder you get stressed
Yeah.
if you think of things in that way.
Yeah.
You have to start doing things on the approach. The other little grumble is as soon as I tell you to turn, you go, signal.
Yeah.
You're in such a routine with it,
I am.
but you're not adding in the observational stuff to then work out what you need to do.
Yeah.
There's an entrance to the pub there.
Yeah, I didn't even think of that.
No, I didn't. You just worked off my instructions and just went check, check, signal.
Yeah.
There's no looking to work that out. There needs to be now.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Cool. That was loads better. Look at that. She's stuck one of those blag parking tickets on a car so she doesn't have to pay for parking. She's stuck an old parking ticket.
How do you tell it's old? I don't know how to...
She must have had it before. She's just stuck it herself to the windscreen. How amazing is that?
That's it.
That's absolutely, stunningly corrupt and just terrible.
Oh my god.
How funny.
That's very funny. She was so shameless about it as well.
Yeah, I'm not asked. Not bothered. Anyway, we will drive on.